These birds are trying their best to get my bait. Get! 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 So we had this old crab basket here that was on this dock, and nobody was using it. And you could tell somebody needs it a long time. So we're gonna give it a try. All right, let's check this basket. Oh boy, it's been down there for about 15 minutes now. Let's see what we got. Oh, cool, we got some bait. Cool. Uh-oh, I need it, little fella. Oh, come here, come here. Oh. It's like a little, is that a little striper? A whiting? I'm not sure what that is, but he's going straight on the hook. Oh, nope. God, it's slick. We got one more in here. Okay, I'll send this back down there. So I got my crab basket down there. Y'all probably can't see them crabs, but they are coming out of the woodwork for that fish in that basket. Oh, I've almost got two in there. Oh, they're fighting. I wish I could see this. Wish I could zoom in on this thing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Boy, that was good. I was hungry, but I think we're gonna go to the beach for a little bit. I'll bring y'all back in just after a while. We're gonna do a little more fishing, probably after lunch. See y'all in just a bit. Go out there with it. So we just came to a restaurant right here. Behind it, you can fish. Well, I hope you can. I guess we'll go to the tell us to leave, but the hotel is right over there. You see it right there. But this restaurant here is Sarah J's in Murrells Inlet, or Surfside Beach. So if you've been there, that's where we're at. Good place to eat too. We've been there a few times. If you want some good seafood, it's good. But there's a sea turtle popping up right here in front of us. Yeah, he's done popped up twice. I'm trying to catch him on video, but he pops up for like 2 seconds and he's gone again. You don't know when he's gonna pop back up.
Maybe try throwing your fish up there again. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he's right there. He may, oh, there's his little head. He lifted up his little head.
He's so cute.
There he is. Maybe he'll come closer. Look at him.
Looks like he's going for those plants.
I don't know where he went. He goes down. There he is. That turtle got a little closer. Trying to get him.
My eyes open.
There he is.
Trying to find a crab.
It's like they see our shadow and they leave.
I don't know where that sea turtle went, but it's probably somewhere. So this is a turtle right here. Nope, here. Let's go see if it can find one over here. Mom's looking over there, so let's see if we can find one. I see. Mom, I see one. I'm scared. So there's baby ones over here too. So I don't know if you can see it, but
I don't know what I got a hold of, but I got a hold of something. If you can hook him. May not sound hook good. Okay.
Gross.
Oh, half of his claw. I got his pinching claw.
Poor thing.
So I grabbed him.
So Sarah's fishing. Millie's watching YouTube over there, and there's a sandbar right there. You can see that light gray or green. I really want to get out there. I don't know why, but the old inner adventurous in me is just saying, just get on out there.
Just walk. It may be a little deep right here in the middle, but
Yeah.
can't be no more than waist deep. Then it's gonna start going right back up here.
Well, I'd hope so.
so Dad's going to go to the sandbar.
We're going across to the great beyond. I think it's gonna be difficult.
Yeah. Just right there in the middle. That's about as far as you're gonna go. You should start going up soon. Oh, going up. Oh, he's made it across there.
Yay! There he is. It looks like he's so far away, but he's actually not.
Made it.
Okay. So I was going to go out on the sandbar, but I don't really want to get pinched by crabs because there's probably stuff never end up in them on our toes. So I'm out. But they had done it. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. No. Big one.
Hmm?
Big one.
Wow, they went down out there for sand crabs. So, no luck at Sarah J's. It's okay, we're gonna keep trying. We still got one more day. We go to get up for shark fish. You good, Millie? You good? Okay. But we need to go get separated for shark fishing tonight. That's the plan. I think I need a tail. My arms suck. Walking across that sandbar.
Yo, I got one.
Well,
I want like a vanilla, iced vanilla.
we're at Dunkin' Donut. I'm gonna gain 5 pounds this trip. What'd you say you wanted?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I want a iced caramel, or I mean iced vanilla.
I tell you what, I'm not picky at all. So just surprise me with a donut if you would.
Just one donut?
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty. Do you like chocolate?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so we're on the beach finally. On the beach, I did some shark fishing. And now I'm just gonna show what I got real quick. I got my steel leader. I got a good old mullet head, and that right there is rubber band in the hook. So that way when you chunk it, it stays on there. Hopefully. And that's my surf weight. And we're gonna rig up one more of these. This is the first one.
And I got my peanut M&Ms. We'll be filming and snacking. There's the girls. One of them. The other one's out there. She likes catching the waves with her boogie board.
So we got 2 rods out and on the surf. The kids have been pulled around. Henry's pulling Millie in the boogie board. Yeah, I know. I'm not sure what's going on with the seaweed here in Myrtle Beach, but there is, I mean, every time I reel in my rod, there is like almost a pound of seaweed on it. I gotta spend 3 minutes getting it off. It's activate. Gotta cross this little pond here. Yeah. We'll change both of them. Let's just change one. Let's change that one. Yeah. Choose a sand flake. I hope just that alone didn't knock it off. What you doing, Millie? So I've got a tide checker on my phone. Oh, see right now, I was planning to go shark fishing on the surf at 6. That's when the tide was at its lowest. I was hoping the waves would be down, but we went at like 7 because we were a little behind on eating supper. So then it was coming back up. It was 4-foot waves. I was out there shark fishing or fishing the surf. I shouldn't say shark fishing. I mean, I'll catch anything, but when we was fishing the surf, waves got kind of strong. And the seaweed, I don't know what's up with the seaweed, but it was activated. But anyway, we went back to the dock. We fished down there for about an hour and a half. And the wind and all that got a little hard to handle. And mainly was because the girls, they got cold. Because they got wet. When the sun was out, when we went down, they got cold. Yes! What you got? Bring it in, bring it in. Oh, you got a little white. Or no?
What is it?
I don't know, but it's a fish.
That's all that matters.
This trip went to a total waste. I can't tell if it's
First fish of the trip.
First trip, the Murrells Inlet fishing trip.
Okay.
You hear it?
Oh, he's so cute.
Look, Millie. Look at the fish, baby.
I can't tell. I think it's a white.
Look what Mama caught.
See it?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, you want to put it back?
Sure. Okay.
It's recording, right?
What? Do I just hold it right here?
But watch his heels.
Right there?
Yeah, you hear it?
Yeah.
Making weird racket.
Look! Here, take a picture of my phone. One little fish I've caught. Here.
He's so cute. He's so
No, what is that?
Oh, no,
That-
I lost it.
Now, you had something. I don't know what it was.
I had something.
As long as somebody's catching. So, babe, tell them what you did.
What?
Tell them what you did.
I lost your $7 lure.
$7 lure.
Threw it in the bushes,
Threw it
in
in
the trees, got stuck.
And that's the only one that caught fish.
I know. I caught my fish with it and I lost it.
It's okay. I think this is the end of day 2. Let's see. It's almost 10 o'clock. We've been out here this dock fishing since then, actually, and so far we have caught 2 crabs. Sierra just caught that whiting fish and a net full of shrimp, but it's okay. Fishing ain't about catching fish. It's about being out there enjoying it. We're at the beach. How can that not be fun? So we're having a good time no matter what we catch. So this is the end of Thursday, which is day 2, be video 2, and you're gonna see me on Saturday, but you're really gonna see me tomorrow. So, but anyway, I'll see you Saturday.